Today we're going to learn how to make a lead quiz in the DropFunnels platform. Starting on the dashboard, we're going to click into the funnels area and then hit the lead quizzes button here. So this link will take you into the lead quizzes. If you haven't created a quiz, it'll look blank in here. But what we really need to do here is create a new quiz when that happens. So I already pre-filled this and added in a bunch of information to show you what you need to do. But anyway, this is a business quiz that I created. So when you open up a new quiz, you're going to come up with this quiz layout where you can have a full list of all the questions just on one page, or you can do single question slider. I'm using single question slider in this one because I like how each question needs to be answered before you can move on to the other one. Again, you can add a title, you can add an image, and you can design your quiz with a whole bunch of typical design features like you would expect in DropFunnels. And then there's an auto scroll function as well, and you can write a description. For now, I'll leave a lot of this blank just for training purposes. So once you have all the key information about the quiz, you can move into the questions. And so right off the bat, you can start entering in a question, a title. You can have an image associated to it. That sometimes helps to create a visual to tie your question together. And then you have an option of multiple choice, short answer, or long answer. Multiple choice tends to get people easily answering questions, so you're prompting them for it. And that's what I've chosen in a lot of these questions. So I'll show you those multiple choice questions. So as you can see, all the questions I created are below here. And because they're multiple choice, I'll show you what I've done. So once you go in, you can edit the question. I didn't add any description or image to these questions. I just wanted to showcase simple questions. So for example here, what is your biggest reason for wanting to start an online business? The answers that I'm prompting them for is here. I want time and money, freedom, quit my job, travel. Here I want to get rich quick and make a ton of money. I want to follow my passions, do what I love and share it with the world. And here I want to make a difference in people's lives. So these are the responses I'm allowing people to have options. Something that's really interesting when you create quizzes, on the questions, you can add points. So you can value the points of these questions differently, which would allow them to go different directions based on the responses. And also you can value those questions to rank your leads and rank the people taking your quiz. So each question basically requires that. And then you can even have an explainer after each answer. If you want to give people, in your quiz, if there's some sort of response based on their answer, you can provide an explanation. I'm not using those right now. I'm just wanting to gather some data on those. So that's basically setting up the questions. Again, as people start to go through your quiz, the results will show up in here in stats and things. But after the quiz is complete, you can then send them to the next funnel page, a point-based result. So if you want to collect those points and give them a score based on what they answered, or you can just send them off to a link to another page. I tend to do the next funnel step because that brings them into the next part of the funnel, whether it's part of sales or part of an onboarding quiz. Again, whatever the result is, you can set it here. Under settings, you can talk again, the quiz type here. So there's lead type or a course question. So again, if you want to add a quiz in a course after someone completes a lesson to check their understanding of the material, you would use a course quiz. So this is a lead quiz. We can maybe look at course quizzes in another video. Questions order, it's user defined right now. Answers order is user defined. And then you can even share this quiz. So for those that want to, add this to another funnel, typical share ability, which is awesome. So I can share this quiz with you if you want. I'll leave a link to this quiz in the video description down below, and you could try out this quiz in your DropFunnels account. If you don't have DropFunnels, again, you could always get a trial down below. There's a link in the description. Once your users have started using this, I've just been playing around, but you can see the actions that they perform will show up in here. I just did one question when I originally tested this out. And then you can have an email confirmation. So once they've submitted the quiz, you can send back those results to them in an email, and then you can customize that email here, the subject, what have you. So don't have to send this out, but again, you can do it here. Webhooks is a bit more technical. We're not going to take demo of that. But ideally, this is really about integrating with other systems. So when somebody finishes this, you can send a webhook to any kind of system out there. So that's basically how you do quizzes here in DropFunnels. It's really easy, really great tool. I've used quizzes in other platforms like ClickFunnels before, and I find these amazing lead generation tools and also qualifiers. You get really good information if you're asking good questions. So just to go over my questions, what I have for the Start and Grow Academy, you can see some of these are really important. So what's the biggest reason for wanting to start a business? What would you say is your current level of experience? So I'm wanting to know, how experienced are the people that are interested in the Start and Grow Academy are going to be, time frame, and then money commitment that people are looking to spend. So these are really good qualifying questions for my business. And again, I can use this information to direct them onto other sales funnels or other course material. Again, the more you know about your customer, the better it is. And lead quizzes are a great way to really get to know those customers. So I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you try and use lead quizzes. If you do, let me know down below. Drop a link to one of your quizzes. I would love to see how this works for your business. I think this is a huge up-and-coming feature for marketers. Some are already using this to huge success, and I think you should give it a try as well. So like I said, you can get a trial down below. Please like this video, share it with your friends if you can. Subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Really appreciate you watching and look forward to some more videos on DropFunnels, marketing, and how you too can start and grow your online business. Thanks for watching.